guys, how's it going? It's your girl Samantha. If you haven't been here before, welcome. Don't forget to do your girl a favor and hit the subscribe button below so you always get to see any new videos that I put out there. Trying my best to put out more videos. So far it's been going up every Thursday. If you watched my latest video where I did a little PR unboxing, you would have seen that I have unboxed one of the most amazing PR packages ever from Pixi Beauty. If you guys haven't watched it, you should, because there are some other cool PR packages that I opened there as well. But today we're going to be talking about this beautiful package right here. I unboxed it properly in the unboxing video, but very quickly I will show you guys what is inside this gorgeous package. Their entire line of their matte lipsticks. I'm going to try one of them first on camera, and I have decided on the matte beige, because I am such a fangirl when it comes to nudes and beiges, and of course I'm gonna try this out. I haven't tried this before. I'm gonna try it out now. Ooh, it smells really nice. All right. Oh, this is so soft. Initial thoughts, the applicator is so soft and it applies very smooth on my lips. You guys can see. I like it. It's very nice. I'm gonna show you part 2 of this really cool package. That today we will be making a lipstick. They sent a red, and they sent a white, a brown, lastly a yellow. So 4 colors, and I'm supposed to mix it into this empty tube. I don't know. Okay, I know this is red, and if it goes with brown, it's probably a dark red. And then if you put white, it'll be a pink. Yes, science. To mix lipstick. Okay, the shade blue. So we didn't get the blue. I'm gonna skip that part. But apparently the blue shade cools down warm lip colors. So that's how you get purples, plums, deep reds, and purpley pink. Yellow! Yes, yellow. It's supposed to warm up cool colors. So we can create oranges, poppy reds, like oranges. Yes, okay, right. Because yellow with red is orange. Oh my god. The reds will become more oranges and pinks will become more coral. Ooh, coral is a good idea. With the white, take a chunk like that. Okay, the red. Add a fuchsia. But I kind of want it more pink. Do baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do. It's pink. Hello. Yellow, yeah, super coral. Can you see the coral? I think I need more yellow though. Yeah, it almost looks like this color. In here. Ooh. Is this what you guys do all day at the Pixi Labs? Mix colors together and make funky cool lipsticks? Because if so, I'm going to change my profession and just mix colors all day. That's fun. Okay, this is all the yellow that was in that little container. I'm now. Can you see? Can you see? I think I'm gonna put more white in. Cool. I think I am done with this one. Guys, we've done it! But I think I want to make more. This is so fun. I really want to see what this brown does. I wonder what's gonna happen if I put some red in here. I'm just literally just mixing everything up right now. I feel like I want to send both shades to Pixi. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna send both. Yeah, this is totally like a deep dark red plum shade. Way red. Alright guys, you can now see what has been going on the flip side of the camera in case you didn't get a better look just now when I showed the lipsticks. Here are all the beautiful shades from nudes to reds to plums. Guys, these are the final shades. Whoa. Okay, this is the coral that I was showing you. I really like the shade actually. This is a deep dark purple red, almost like a plum that kind of looks like the shade here. Whereas this coral, I think this is a winner because I don't see, except for this, but this looks way more coral. So I think this is a winner. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for joining me. It has honestly been so much fun. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching as well. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button to my channel and the bell icon so you always get notified when I have new videos. And leave me a comment. Let's have a conversation. I would love to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time, Sam out.